I'd like to play a game with you. Up until now, you just sat there as a voyeur watching other people in their videos without care about who that person is. Well, what do voyeurs see when they look into the mirror? Let's find out. Right now, you are being watched. And if you forget for 1 second that you are being watched, you will lose. Your only way out is to understand. Just remember, knowledge changes everything.
Released in 1990, Home Alone remains one of the most popular movies to show around Christmas. It shows the adventures of 8-year-old Kevin McAllister, who gets left behind accidentally when his family takes a trip to Paris. He gets up to shenanigans, as young boys are known to do, the most memorable being the foiling of 2 bumbling burglars using Rube Goldberg-esque homemade traps. According to one twisted theory, Home Alone is nothing else than the origin story of John Kramer, aka Jigsaw from the Saw franchise. It might sound ridiculous at first, but when you take Kevin's actions out of the context of a family Christmas movie, they can portray a budding psychopath. He shows a proclivity for violent fantasies and voyeurism. He is prone to violent outbursts, like when his brother ate all the pizza. He shows a fascination with serial killers, specifically his neighbor Old Man Morley, whom he suspects of being the South Bend shovel slayer. He enjoys threatening and scaring the pizza delivery boy. He suffers from hallucinations, particularly the basement furnace. And last but not least, he is adept at building traps. The theory then notes multiple similarities between some of Kevin's pranks and Jigsaw's murder traps. Most convincing is the furnace trap from Saw 2. It's located in a recreation of his childhood basement, complete with the furnace monster that young Kevin was afraid of.
You don't know me, but I know you.